Hi, my name is Joanne Kurtzberg. I'm a doctor at Duke and I direct the pediatric blood marrow transplant program. Also a public cord blood bank called the Carolinas Cord Blood Bank, a cell therapy program at Duke called the Robertson Cell and Translational Therapy Program, and the Stem Cell Laboratory. I knew I always wanted to work with children, and when I was in college I worked with children with autism and other developmental disabilities, and I decided to go to medical school to pursue that option through psychiatry. But when I was in medical school I also liked the medicine part of the field, and because of where I trained, I was invited to be a fellow in pediatric hematology oncology and accepted and went through that route. I love helping children and their families. I love to treat challenging diseases and make a difference. And I've been fortunate over my career to be able to develop some new treatments in the laboratory that I could take into the clinic and use to help patients. And really, if you look over the course of my career, I kind of go back and forth from something we discover in the lab that we take to the patient, and then something we discover in the patient that we go back to work on in the lab. And I really like that interplay, and mainly being able to make a difference in diseases that are hard to treat. I think families and their children choose to come to Duke for treatment in our program because we really are a center of excellence for rare disorders, and many times families can't even find doctors who have knowledge about the diseases their children have in their own community, and they really are relieved in a way to find us because we have experience with whatever the disease is. And we go beyond just doctors who have experience. We have a whole care team of doctors and nurses and social workers and play therapists and nurse clinicians and laboratory people, and the whole community of people who are going to take care of their child.